up, if you're learning English, you're probably making these mistakes, and they make you sound less fluent. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know how to fix all of them. Welcome back to English Luminaries with Sahar. If you want to sound like a native speaker, hit that subscribe button, turn on all notifications so you won't miss any of our lessons. Let's fix these 20 mistakes. Here's mistake number 1, which is really common. I am agree. Really? I agree. Agree is an action. It is a verb and you don't need any am.
What was it that you don't agree with that Jake does?
Now the point we have to address tonight is getting everyone to agree.
Just agree and no more am. Get it? Here's mistake number 2. He do all his homework exactly on time. But the correct form is he does his homework. For he, she, it, the only answer is does. Here is mistake number 3. She has 25 years. The correct form is she is 25 years old. Why? In English, we use is to talk about age, not has. Since age is a state, not an object. Here's mistake 4. Can you explain me this? No. You have to say, can you explain this to me? Explain needs an object before me. Explain first, then to me.
Well, then will you explain it to me?
Explain to me what's going on up there.
Yeah, I just had to explain to him that I had his balls and he's not getting them back.
Here's mistake number 5. I'll call to you. The correct form is I'll call you. Call doesn't need to before a person. Call people directly. No to needed.
Call me if you find out anything else.
Just call me if anything changes.
Here's mistake number 6. I didn't went there. The correct form is I didn't go there. Did already makes it past. No needed to went. Did takes the past. You don't need it twice.
You think my mother didn't warn me about her on my wedding night?
Obviously, she didn't get very far.
Here's mistake number 7. She said me to go. The correct form is this. She told me to go. Say doesn't take an object. Use tell instead. Tell someone, say something.
You said that.
Here's mistake number 8. He's married with Anna. The correct form is he's married to Anna. We use married to someone, not married with someone. You're together when married.
I don't have to be married to you still to be worried about you.
My maiden name, but I'm not married to it, if you know what I mean.
No, Julie, she wasn't married to Javier.
I feel myself happy. No, the correct form is I feel happy. After feel, we don't use myself. Feel is personal. Know myself needed.
I want to make you feel as good as I feel.
Okay, baby, this might feel a little bit weird, but I promise you, you will love it.
You make me feel so crazy.
It came over me like a wave and it made me feel sick.
Here's mistake number 10. I want that you come. The correct form is I want you to come. We use want plus a person plus to plus a verb. You want someone to do something. We want people to do things.
I want you to know that.
I want you to make Gail happy.
I want you to go back over your work with a fine-tooth comb.
I want you to show skin in the 4 major regions.
How many of these mistakes have you made? Comment below. I'll be reading and I'll be replying to your answers. Mistake number 11. She doesn't listen to me. Correct form is she doesn't listen to me. After doesn't, we need the base form of the verb because doesn't remove the S.
He doesn't want me to have men here because I'm unmarried.
Are you sure it doesn't have anything to do with sex?
That doesn't mean that we can't pleasure each other in other ways.
Mistake number 12. He go to school every day. The correct form is he goes to school every day because in English, he, she, it adds S to the verb in present simple.
She cooks like you wouldn't believe.
As far as your father goes,
He and I don't always see eye to eye.
Here's mistake number 13. It depends of the situation. Or it depends the situation. The correct form is this. It depends on the situation. Why is that? Because the preposition for depend is on, not of. So we say depends on something, not depends of something or without any preposition.
That depends on what we buy.
I mean, it depends on what your definition of weird is.
Here's mistake number 14. I look forward to meet you. The correct form is I look forward to meeting you. Look forward to is a phrasal verb which is followed by the gerund form.
Crazy cults that look forward to the end of the world.
I look forward to reading your responses on Monday.
Now listen to this one. Here's a mistake frequently used by my own students. She told that she was tired. The correct form is this. She said that she was tired because say isn't followed by an object, by tell is followed by an object. She told me to do something and she said something.
You said he was a good man.
Do I think he should have said that other girl wasn't pretty?
But don't ever let it be said that I can't admit when I'm wrong.
So could you just tell Harvey that I won't be able to make the Logan meeting?
He said you don't need experience.
You tell me what to do, I'll do it.
Tell him I couldn't find it.
Here's mistake number 16. Although I love this store, but I never go shopping there. Although, but, they never goes hand in hand. The correct form is, although this store is amazing, I never go shopping there. There is no need to, but, since there's already a conjunction right at the first.
And even though I'm so looking forward to the next part.
Even though this werewolf is a neat freak, he could have left a clue somewhere.
Even though we know tornado, clearly not my fault.
I mean, I just saw your mom downstairs, and even though she's pretty old, she's really hot.
Here's number 17. Let's discuss about it. It is really common among my students. They always use let's discuss about something, which is totally wrong. You have to say, let's discuss this. We never say discuss about something. In English, we say just discuss something directly.
There are matters we need to discuss.
Don't you want to discuss our parents?
We'll discuss alternative childcare options over the next couple of weeks.
I was thinking maybe you would like to discuss it in a more intimate setting.
I'd like to sit down and discuss with you the possibility of joining our company.
Mistake number 18. I am thinking to buy a car. The correct form is this. I am thinking about buying a car. Why? Because the preposition for thing is about. We use thing plus about plus doing something.
Just thinking about it gets me all.
I'm just thinking about Phoebe.
Just be thinking about what's going on here all the time.
Just thinking about what this world I walk through every day does to people.
Let's shift the gear to number 19. Everybody are here. The correct form is everybody is here. Why? Because all indefinite pronouns are followed by the singular verb. Everybody is here. No one is there. Anybody doesn't know about it. See how it works?
Everybody knows that there is no way it will actually happen.
Everybody knows you're an artist. And
Everybody is awful these days. Everybody is looking for you.
Everybody is fighting for themselves.
Last but not least, here's another common mistake that my students can't help using that. I need some advices. The correct form is I need some advice because advice is an uncountable noun and it can't be followed by any S. So if you need a piece of advice, just come to me.
Can I give you a piece of advice?
Had quite enough fashion advice for the afternoon.
You want me to take advice from a woman who told her sister to go live in a homeless shelter?
Want some advice?
Can I give you some advice?
I'll ask you a piece of advice.
So might I offer you some advice?
I'll give you a piece of advice.
Now you know 20 mistakes and how to fix all of them. But don't stop there. You want to test yourself? Watch this and click here. Like, subscribe, and grab your free PDF with all 20 mistakes. Link in the descriptions. See you in my next video.